What the Tithe Project actually did is that it's given them a whole new experience and a new perspective on life.
So we've been on 2 exchanges this year. The first one was in Bruges in Belgium, and the second one we visited Uppsala in Sweden.
Doing 2 trips allowed us to take as many different students as possible. There were different experiences on the 2 trips, and the activities were more suited to the learners that we took.
I actually went to Uppsala Cathedral, which is 119 metres tall.
I met the mayor of Bruges. He was really nice. He gave me a flag.
We looked at Christmas markets, and that's actually my very first time actually going to a Christmas market.
They formed friendships with students in different countries, which is really powerful for them because their world can be quite insular at times because of their needs and how that can isolate them.
The Tithe helped me become more sociable. I made friends with a girl called Maxine. She likes Queen, same as me.
We done the treasure hunt with the children in Belgium, and some of them are partially blind and some of them are fully blind. They had to use voice recorders, and then on that I had all the instructions of what they needed to do. It was really interesting because I learned how the blind pupils can navigate themselves around the school.
It was really lovely to make new friendships. They absolutely changed my life forever.
One of our students actually remarked that he felt he didn't have special needs anymore because he had a friend in Belgium, and that was really powerful for him and for his family.
Being able to offer the additional support on trips abroad is essential for pupils who go to our school.
Students in mainstream get an opportunity to do different exchanges, to do different trips. Our students don't have that luxury in terms of the obstacles that can face them. For instance, the cobblestones in Bruges could have prevented us from accessing the city by wheelchair. The Tithe funding actually allowed us to fund an extra piece of equipment to make it safe for our students to access the rest of the city like everybody else.
The Tithe Project offers additional funding for those students with additional learning needs, which enabled us to make these trips as inclusive as possible. Through the Tithe funding, we were able to hire the Jumbulance. It was a large coach where we could use the lift to get the children up onto the bus, and we were able to web our wheelchair users in. It had a kitchen, it had an on-site toilet, which was just great, so we didn't have to do any of the stops.
It was life-changing because I actually got my very first passport. So I really enjoyed actually getting a passport.
Since coming back from the trip, I got confidence to go out more on my own and do more things and being independent.
Diolch o galon I chi gyd. Here we go, it's the moment! Here we go!